Let's make a video. This is a 16. If you get the ratcheting 16, it's a lot easier. You usually have to stick a vice grips on the top there to hold it down. But the energy suspension bushings, they seem to grab the metal enough that you don't need to do that. Make a video.
Boy, it is hot. Do you need help?
I don't know yet. I need to pop the springs out.
What?
I need to pop the springs out.
Then pop the springs out.
I don't know how to do that. Done it on accident like 5 times when I was doing the control arm bushings. But I do not want to take those off again. That's for a different video. The shock's not on. Boom.
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yeah. Let's go with
It
that.
just looks so aggressive. Are you wanting to be able to see yourself or just this?
Just this.
Oh no, then you can't see yourself. It was placed correctly.
Yeah, they don't need to see me.
Okay then.
Hey, will you hand me a 19? It might be a 17 though. You could be my tool bee.
17 or 19?
I don't know what you got.
17 and a 19.
It is a 19. Oh, it's Kentucky, so I bet it's an 18. It's an 18. I don't have an 18 out for sure.
BRB then.
BRB.
What is it in socket wrenches?
I need a socket and a wrench.
Huh.
Yeah.
These are not. Oh, found an 18. How do I get it out of this thing?
Pull harder. There you go.
Here's this.
Thanks.
And then what do I do?
A wrench up higher. It's 4 more drawers up.
18, 19, 12, 16. Huh. So this is gonna. Ooh. Here.
Thanks. I need the socket wrench for this one though.
And that's this.
No, because that's the 1/2-inch drive one.
Oh, what about this?
Yes, ma'am.
It's nice when your tools are all out already.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this guy came to the gym and he was making like it doesn't matter how much you're lifting or whatever. It matters how many reps you're getting in. This guy picked up like a 40-pound dumbbell or whatever they're called. And he's like trying to do it, but he can barely lift it. And I'm just like, oh my.
Hey, Abby.
Hey, what?
Is there a 1/2 inch 18?
In there or down here?
In there.
What does that mean exactly? This would be in
This hole is bigger.
sockets?
This hole is bigger. It's in sockets.
Oh gosh.
And then I need the breaker bar, which is over there.
Where is this over where?
It's right by my hat.
I put the to you earlier when you didn't need it.
Yeah.
Wow, I think I'm really good at dropping my phone.
I already cracked my screen.
Really?
Well, I think just the screen saver, hopefully. Good thing I pre-ordered a new one before I even broke it.
Are you serious?
Don't tell OtterBox. Well, I knew I was gonna break it.
Yeah. Also, we're not logged into Team Snap yet, are we?
Yeah, we are. I can see your whole team.
Guess what? We only have 8 players.
Guess what? They'll just take younger kids.
But guess what? Victor's our coach.
Who's Victor?
He used to be the boys' coach. And he's a good coach.
Just so you know, this is on my video, so
Oh.
I mean, I'm sure Victor doesn't subscribe, but
No, I didn't never. I wasn't saying anything bad yet.
yet.
I think that I'll learn from him. I'm
Well,
disappointed.
who's Chad coaching then? What?
I just don't know.
What did I do with my...
I'm gonna start magneting. So this is all just suspension, and this makes the car drive, or like ride better. Would you say, or?
It depends. If you go low,
Are we
Could
making
make
it
it-
lower?
ride worse. Woo!
So what is this all for? That's what I
That's a
just...
very girl question to ask.
Okay. I just don't know how to ask this like a boy.
Like, why are you doing that?
No. What is the point of getting different suspension? Because you said that it made it ride better, but then you just said that if it's lower than
Okay, I'll show you. Hold.
Ew.
We'll show them too. So, there's the stock shock and the Blitz shock. This one,
Your fingers covering.
yeah, it is. We can adjust the height right here, and then we can, you got to plug in a little thing and you can adjust the dampening. I think
What
it's
is that dampening?
32.
What's dampening?
Okay, and then you have the spring. And then we have the stock spring. And then you have the spring perch. So the spring perch adjusts, that's how you make it lower. So the spring is always trying to make the car pop up.
So when it goes over bumps, you don't feel it as much?
Yeah, otherwise it would just shoot up. So the spring pushes the tire back down to the ground.
Okay.
And then I think the shock.
This is a shock, right?
Yeah.
And you didn't, what's the dampener?
The dampening is how fast it does it. And the shock slows down the spring. Because the spring just wants to spring. So without a shock, it would just go boing and together. And adjusting the dampening is how you get like the ride smoother.
What's the, like this, the stock shock is a lot thicker, and then the one that you got is a lot thinner.
Yeah, I don't, just design, I don't know. We can see if it's blown out. Hold the camera. I always thought it was, but I don't think it is. It should come up.
It is.
It should.
How would you blow it out?
They just get old and they leak the oil out. It's pretty slow.
Do you think mine are blown out?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. That one's fast.
Yeah. But I don't know what the dampening's set at right now.
What are you gonna send it to? 32?
I don't know. Are you filming?
Yes, of course I am.
Whoa.
Your phone might be upside down. I can't tell what upside down is.
So.
This is my other car. I call it Mitzi. It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. If you were wondering. You never asked me to.
Sleeve.
Got a hole in your shirt.
Nice. Energy suspension pushing. Sleeve. Oh no.
Are you all out?
No, where's the top nut?
That could be a problem. There's one right here. Is that it?
No, that's not a nut. This is it. I think.
We can only hope.
I need you to. You can put the camera in here.
Oh, don't worry. I'll put it back in one perspective.
I need you to lift up on the shock a little bit.
How do I do that? Like, which part of it? The bottom?
Yeah.
Well, did you need more like that?
You're good.
Gross.
Yeah.
Protected. What, for that or what?
For this.
From doing what? Like what would happen without that?
I think it would be metal on metal.
Ugh. Gross. That's the worst sound. Do you want to go get car washes? My car's all muddy.
Dude. So we use the stock one of these. I need the other one. This one.
Weird that you get the shock from all the way up here.
Spring sits in here. And then we're definitely gonna have to do some pushing. So I think can it even see me this low?
Well, we can just 0.5 you.
Can you hand me the white tub of grease?
Uh-huh. Ew, ew, ew. Gross.
I'm gonna use some of the
Sticky.
bushing grease on here.
Wait, why is it like glue though? It's not grease.
It's just a lot of grease is sticky, which sucks because it collects dirt, but polyurethane, or it likes to squeak. Trying to stay squeak free. And I think it might be sticky enough to hold everything in place.
Is that what we did at Brent's house, that red part? Dad?
No,
Yeah, where we squashed it?
well, that was the front ones.
Now I'll go back in one.
Oh yeah.
Even me.
Good times.
Perfect.
know I was gonna crawl around it. I was like, that'll take too long.
Do you want me to zoom in on what you're doing? I just don't know how to get the phone out of this.
Hey, I got it, except I don't have this in. Can you step on this?
Oh my. How hard?
As hard as you can.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I can't. Okay. This is going right there.
Well, we're not recording then.
I mean, I can put it back in it. I don't know how.
It doesn't automatically squeeze it.
Does this thing do it?
No.
Well, it's fine right there.
Alright.
Okay.
Is it still recording?
Oh, yeah. Ready?
Yeah, kind of. You're good, except you can't keep it.
I literally cannot press any harder.
Okay, let go.
Did we do it?
Oh, can you do it again?
Yeah. It's easier when I stood up. Oh God, I just worked out.
Okay. See the camera. You can leave it on the tripod.
Well, it's not very secured.
If you did it right, these shouldn't line up yet. So you gotta add preload. I gotta get the top tightened. Then we'll preload the spring and then it'll line up. If we adjusted these to fit the hole right now, then the springs would have either too much or not enough preload. I'm not sure how it works.
What do you want it to see right now? Actually, I don't even know what it sees. It's still twisty.
like the top of the Blitz ones have an Allen wrench.
So we're not supposed to be holding this.
I don't know what size. My Allen wrench game sucks. Especially metric. Ratcheting 17. Now I have a ratcheting 16. I'm never going to need it again because I'm switching.
Am I holding it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Gross. Now what? Do you want me to move? Is Lily up? Do you want me to wait for her?
Lily's at school.
Yeah, it's not. My bad. It's weird how much that thing can move without breaking. This is brakes, huh?
Need the. See the nut for this?
The what?
The nut.
Yeah. You just have to do all this to the other side, or did you do the other side yesterday?
I didn't do anything yesterday.
What'd you do at P5 then?
I did the sway bar bushings. I didn't film it.
It's okay. There's a blue thing on it now. Is that a sway bar bushing?
No.
I don't know what a sway bar bushing is. If you couldn't tell.
I'm not gonna type it.
What? Oh, I thought.
Come on here. Ugh.
What?
Looks like the spring is not. See that gap right there?
Uh-huh.
I think I got it. Ooh. I see a problem.
What is it?
The shock sleeve is not in the.
Is that red part up there?
Huh.
What?
How do we do that?
I don't know. I was listening to your directions, but I didn't really know what I was doing, so it could have been me. But all I was supposed to be doing was holding it, so. Do we have to undo what we just did?
I don't know.
Good. Are you talking about this part is the problem or that not
See
lining
the
up?
brass color thing
Yeah.
in the car?
That should be in the car. I hope we're talking about the same thing, because that red thing, not the brass thing. Tell me when it's loosened, and you know the first time I held it when I was pushing it up, we just have to do that again. What? No it's not. I can't move this thing at all. Here, let me try. No, I can't move it. Is this camera broken? Why is it doing that? I don't know. Oh wait, this thing can move now, but I don't know if that means anything. Can you come here for a sec so I can make sure we're talking about the same thing? I'm talking about, what are you talking about?
This needs to go into there.
This clear thing all the way up? Yeah, it's not brass. Alright, well. How was I able to move it before? Oh, you're right. Oh! What? Like that? But the metal disc underneath isn't supposed to go with it, right? Right, Dad? I just pushed the whole red thing up.
I just lost
It. I don't think it fell down. I felt like I would have seen it. Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. Let me see the flashlight or something.
Wait, I'm making sure.
It doesn't go through. It's in the car somewhere.
Ew. Well, I don't know if it fell in that hole.
Here, open the back door.
Okay.
This is gonna take 3 hours.
Wait, I have to make sure that it's in it. Oh, it is. Good, good. Wait, the metal bar moved up too. Huh. It's even different points of views. Yeah, still going.
I got the top of the shocks bolted in where I want them. A 1/4 of an inch. My millimeter to moment of truth. You know what would have been smart? Measuring it before I installed them. $26, $27 probably. It's not lower at all. It might be 26 and a half. Half-inch lower. That's not bad for an old guy. How is that not a 17?